Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a really light and comforting dish, stir-fried eggs with white beech mushrooms and wood ear.
Look at this, colorful, glossy, and super fresh. It smells clean, tastes gentle, and is perfect with a bowl of rice. First, let's mix a little starch water, 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Add 150 milliliters of water and stir it well.
Now let's prepare the vegetables.
Take 1 cucumber, peel it, cut it in half, then slice it into diamond-shaped pieces. Cut a little red bell pepper into chunks, just for color. Now crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of the starch water. Then mix well. This little trick makes egg extra soft, smooth, and easier to shape when frying. Don't throw away the remaining starch water. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon MSG, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon white pepper. Stir it. This is our sauce.
Everything is ready, let's start cooking.
Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add the white beech mushrooms and the wood ear mushrooms. Then pour in 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This helps remove any mushroom smell and keeps them nice and crisp. Once it boils again, add the cucumber. When everything starts floating, toss in the red bell pepper. Then scoop everything out together. Splash a little cold water over them, just to cool them down. Heat some oil in the wok. Pour in the eggs and gently fry until just set. Then take them out and set aside. Add a little oil in the wok. Slice the garlic, go in, and stir until fragrant. Add all the blanched vegetables back in. Turn the heat up and give it a quick stir. Once you smell that aroma, add the eggs back in. Mix everything together. Then pour in the starch sauce. Stir until everything is evenly coated. And we are done. Look at this. It's bright, clean, and so appetizing. Definitely a rice killer.
Let me taste it for you. Really good. Light, savory, and so easy to eat. Simple steps, gentle flavors. Perfect for kids, seniors, or anyone who likes clean home cooking. You should definitely try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.